Good day all. I want to tell you people more about affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Have you been wondering what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is you selling other people's products, digital or physical product, digital products. Yes, you can still do affiliate, you can still sell physical products, but it's just that the commission might not be like the digital products. You know, for digital products, the beauty of this affiliate marketing is that you are not stocking products at home, you are not looking for buyers, maybe you imported, and if you are not making use of the online space. But do you know that now for affiliate marketing you can make use of Facebook ads? You will just set your system, hey my people, you will just relax like this, Facebook will be doing the adverts for you, and you will be seeing people that will be rushing your products, your digital products. That is the beauty of it. Please, if you've not been doing affiliate marketing, please look into it. You want to know more about affiliate marketing, there are a lot of courses you can get on affiliate marketing at a very discounted price. Invest in yourself. The more you invest in yourself, the more your knowledge level is so vast, the more you get opportunities. Yes, please invest in yourself. There are a lot of courses that you can get that will teach you from A to Z of what affiliate marketing is, how you can pick hot in demand products and be distributing and be selling hot in demand products. You advertise them, you get your buyers online. There are platforms you can join to get people that needs this product. Affiliate products, digital products can be on any niche, but just go for the niche that you know people are always asking for. One example of one niche is people looking for this affiliate. Okay, you know, people are very curious, what's the affiliate marketing even all about, what's the business all about? I've been saying it here, I've been saying it, I want to know more. There are ebooks on that. Oh, I want to videography, I want to learn how to edit video like a pro, how to be a filmmaker, you know, all that. That is another niche. It's there in ebooks, you can get it. And once you go to this site, registration is free on some of the affiliate marketing platform. Registration is free, while some is not free. Example, Expertnia is 10,000 naira to register as a member, but we still have Stakeout, we have Celso, we have a lot. You can do internationally, the ones that you'll be earning in dollars. You can do the ones that you'll be earning over here in Nigeria, but it's in dollars anyway, but they do the conversion for you and pay it to you in naira. But those affiliate platforms that you do abroad, those ones is more of you make use of your PayPal account to withdraw the money. Yes, it's not only you guys that use PayPal accounts, my people. If you are thinking of that mentality, change it, change that mindset. PayPal accounts, you use it to withdraw your money, your dollars. Use it to withdraw it in naira. My people, I don't have dollar, don't come and meet me at home. Bikonu, I'm just I'm just giving you tips and telling you things you don't really know. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I'm always here. To my new subscribers, thank you for watching. Old subscribers, thank you for watching. Thank you all for always subscribing. I have a lot that I'll be sharing